Sir, I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not quite sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. Seeing this box is a ring for your oldest. She's my everything, and all I know that I know is it would be such a relief if I knew we were on the same side. 'Cause very soon I'm hoping that I can marry a daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah, I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. Bye!
Thank you for watching this stupid video.
This is annoying.
Annoying.
Yeah, super annoying.
Bye.